Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by quieting the context and setting intent. Say you want to make someone feel heard. That shapes your words. Once you pause and notice one emotion inside you, you prevent reactive phrasing, so your kindness sounds sincere. Make sure to pick a short goal, comfort, praise, or a gentle redirect, because clear purpose keeps your tone steady and your message small enough to be believed. Now focus on how you say it and why that matters. You use I statements to own your impression and prevent defensiveness. This is why people accept kind words. Once done, match your volume and tempo to calm the listener. Slower speech signals safety. Make sure to select one short compliment or validation sentence so your kindness is precise and easy to receive. Too many points dilute. You deliver the kind words clearly, then pause to let the person respond. Silence lets them process and shows you respect them. Afterward, follow with a small action or offer, help, a gesture, or time, because kindness is both verbal and practical. If you meet resistance, restate one simple phrase and stay calm. Repeating gently shows persistence without pressure and often diffuses tension while preserving your original intention.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.